Good morning, students. In our previous classes, we studied about the chemical properties of acids and bases. So now we know that acids and bases show different chemical properties with same kind of compounds. But here we have some kind of chemical properties in which acids and bases both behave in same manner. Like our today's topic is what happens to an acid or a base in a water solution. And the answer is dissociation, or we can call it ionization. Students, when acid dissolve in water, they produced hydrogen ions. Here we have an example of hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acids produces hydrogen ion, which is also called H plus ion, in the presence of water. The separation of H plus ion from HCl molecules cannot occur in the absence of water. Likewise, when bases dissolve in water, they also generate hydroxide ions in water. Hydroxide ions are OH minus ion. Bases which are soluble in water are called alkalis. Students, all bases do not dissolve in water. Strong acids completely ionize in aqueous solution, and strong bases also completely dissociate into ions in aqueous solution. When HCl dissolves in water, it ionizes completely, and the hydrogen ion which is formed during this process cannot exist alone. So when an acid dissolves, it releases a hydrogen ion, and this hydrogen ion combines with water to form H3O plus ion. This positively charged ion is called hydronium ion. Sodium hydroxide, which is a base, when dissolved in water, it will dissociate into the ions and produce OH minus ion, which is hydroxide ions. Student, the process of dissolving an acid or a base in water is a highly exothermic one. Students, adding water to an acid or base will change its pH. Water is mostly water molecules, so adding water to an acid or base reduces the concentration of ions in the solution. When an acidic solution is diluted with water, the concentration of H plus ion decreases and the pH of the solution increases towards 7.